Meet Bhanbanasur.
Now let's test Bhanbanasur versus Ismaika noise cancellation.
Bhanbanasur, this is level 1 of noise cancellation. Hi Bhanbanasur, this is level 2 of noise cancellation. Hi Bhanbanasur, this is level 3 of noise cancellation. This drone is quite loud, but this mic certainly gets a thumbs up for its noise cancellation feature. If you want to know which this one is, comment down link and I'll share you the one.